Are you?
Why not?
You can break it in half.
Hey.
Yeah, put it back in there and then break it. There you go. All right. What is that? What is it? Oh, it's
Good.
cold.
You want the other half, Grace?
Good. I can't eat it. You want it, babe?
No, I don't want it.
Look, Tyler. Look. Bananas. Yum, 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 yum.
I'm taking diabetic pills.
Bananas.
There was so much diabetic in my family.
Toes start going.
When they kick their feet, you know they like it. That's
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
She does it. Look at her.
Goodness, God.
It's good for my teeth. Or my gums.